Students, electric current can be generated in two different ways, and these two different ways is DC or direct current and AC or alternating current. Let us first begin by understanding what is direct current. For this, I have a cell which is connected to a conductor. Now what happens in direct current is, direct current starts from positive terminal and goes to negative terminal. That is, the direction of current does not change. Now you can see here, the current is starting from positive and it is going to negative, and the current is only flowing in one direction, and that is why it is called direct or DC current. Let us now understand what is alternating current. For this, you can see the symbol here. This is a symbol of AC current, and it represents a sinusoidal wave or a sine wave. Now what happens in AC current? AC current starts from one direction, reaches its maximum value, then again goes to 0. After going to 0, after dropping to 0, AC reverses its direction, and after reversing, it again goes back in opposite direction. You can see here, the current is starting from 0, going to a maximum value, going to 0, again going to a maximum value, again going to 0. In this way, it is continuously changing its direction, and that is why it is called alternating current. Generally, battery gives DC current. You must have seen this generator, DC generator used in emergency for power supply. This also gives DC current. But households, in our homes, we get AC current. Now students, let us see the main points of DC and AC current. Coming to the first point. In DC current, the magnitude and direction of the current is constant. It does not change. But in AC current, as we just saw, the magnitude and direction of current reverses periodically. Looking at the second point, in DC current, the frequency of direct current is 0. Why? DC current changes its direction 0 times in 1 second. Hence, its frequency is 0. But on the other hand, if I look at AC current, the frequency of AC in India is about 50 Hertz. Why so? Because AC current changes its direction 50 times in 1 second in India. And that is why its frequency is 50 Hertz in India. Looking at the third point of DC and AC current. Direct current cannot be used on large scale for household purpose. Why? Is because longer the distance traveled by current, more is the resistance, and hence there is loss of energy. So we cannot take it to far off distances because a lot of energy will be wasted. But students, when we look at AC current, this current can be used on a large scale for household purpose. Now let's understand why. In AC current can be connected to step up and step down transformers. So what is done is, by using step down transformers, it is carried to far away distances. Like you can see here, this is a step down transformer by which it is carried to far away distances. After this, by using step up transformers, it is distributed to households. In this way, AC current can be used for sending current to far away distances. This, students, was a difference between DC and AC current. Thank you.